Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia from Sabrish Curiosity. Today I'm going to take a tour on my terrace gardening. That is my mom's terrace gardening which she had grown. As you can see in the video, I'm showing you the real picture of a tomato which is grown in my home. See how good it is growing and how happy it is. Yes guys, this is a tomato plant which my mom planted before 3 months. Okay, see, there are lots of tomato. If I going to take all the tomatoes, then I can able to get 1 kg of tomato even. See, she has already plucked all the tomatoes, and this is the leftover. See how happy it is. This is one of the croton which she has planted, and it is very much good. See how beautiful it is. See how beautiful it is. There are lots of varieties of plants she's having the garden, and we have more than 250 number of plants in the garden. This is called touch me not plant. See, if we touch it, it's getting shrink. That's the thing. Power of this plant. This is a beautiful flower of it. See how good this flower is. And this is one of the lady's finger she has grown, and this is brinjal which is in the process of growing, and this is a flower of a brinjal which is beautifully grown here. And again, this is a touch me not plant, and if you touch it, it is getting shrink here. And lots of this is a guava plant, and this is one of the plant. This is called Nitya Kalyani. That's a very good flower. That flower is very much good for cancer issues, cancer problem. And this is called Manatakali in Tamil, and this is good for stomach ulcer. This is Chadi Malli, one of the flower. Mom has already taken all the flowers, plucked all the flowers today morning for doing puja. And this is called Tumbai. Tumbai means in ancient times, during king's time, the kings used to pluck these flowers, and they will join everything, and they will just put like a chain, because if they put this flower as a chain, it symbolizes that they are very much brave to face the war. That's the secret. And this is called Rajamalli, and Rajamalli is nothing but we have a big size of jasmine. This is that Sepankirangu in Tamil, that one. This is onion which I put actually, and this is one of the flower, and this is of course our drumstick leaves, and this is papaya tree which is grown in a pot. And this is surprising flower for vegetable for that's nothing but a bitter gourd. Okay, see the bitter gourd here. It's good, right? Yeah, there are small bitter gourds here. This is small bitter gourd, and this is of course it's one of the fruit tree. And of course there are a bunch of tomatoes here. See, tomatoes, it may be more than 1 kg. This tomato variety is different. It's somewhat size of brinjal. And this is red banana tree, and we have paper flower here. And this is one of the berry tree. We are also having bitter gourd plant here. And this is aloe vera we have. It's for beauty and purifying the air, we can tell. And this is one of the flower. Okay, so we already plucked this flower for. See, this is one of the flower which we used to keep in the bouquet. And this flower, I think this is also good medicinal value, and it's good for skin also. See how lots of flowers we have here. Yes, lots of flowers we have. We have this flower. I think you people may be knowing this flower because it's ideally used for worshipping. There are many trees here. See, this is one of the flower, and this is an insulin plant. Okay, insulin plant we have. There are many plants here. This is apple, and this is one of the thing. This is called nochu, which is used for coughing and breathing problems, and also it's a mosquito repellent. This is one of the tumbai poo, and we have everything here. This is we should call this as This is another rose. We have a good rose blossom here. We have a good rose here. See how good the rose is. And this is, we know that this is avarampu, right? This is good for skin as well as it's good for health also. And this is one of the drumstick. Drumstick is moringa, you can tell. And yeah, this is balsam. We have balsam here. There are many varieties of blossoms here. We have, and this is called. We have many varieties of blossoms. This is. We have many things. See, lots of plants. This is Karpura berry, so it's good for health. And this is the Karun Tulasi. We have Tulsi, and this is one of the croton. This is pomegranate. You know, you don't believe me, guys. So we had many varieties of insects and new varieties of insects and birds which is coming across my home. See, this is Kanahamaram, we tell. This is Vendaka. This is lady's finger. My mom kept this lady's finger plant to be for seeding. So she used to distribute all the seeding to people who are demanding here. This is one of the Kire variety. This is of course butter god. Yeah, and this is one of the croton which my mom bought from Kerala. And this is called Ada Dudai, and for thyroid this is very much useful. We can take this kashayam in the morning in the empty stomach by adding two pepper and some cumin, and we can give it. Surprisingly, there is another plant called, this is, you know that this is cabbage. See, cabbage is growing here. Cabbage. It's cabbage, right? It's good. Yeah, guys, there are many things here, and there is so moringa here. See, my mom has kept only 5 inches of a small stem there, and it grew up like this. This is another curry leaves. This is a neem plant here, and this is lemongrass. As you all people know, lemongrass is good for. We can use lemongrass for tea. It increases the blood supply, everything. And this is another moringa. We have moringa. This is surprisingly a sapota. Okay, chiku plant. Okay, see how big it is. See the size of the chiku which we have. It's a big thing, right? It's a big. There is a big chiku here. See, big chiku. Big chiku. We have many chiku plants here. It may, if you pluck all the chiku, it will take 2 kg, I think so. That's all, guys. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you. See you next video. Bye bye. If you want to get any tips, you can message me, you can call me, you can mail me for any information if you want. Okay, so I'm happy to help you. My mom has used many organic techniques. She has not included any artificial things to grow up. See, this is a small plant. See, it has a chili grown on it. She has used many organic daily vegetable wastage only she used to put for all these things, and she has added cow dung and goat tongue for all these as a manure, composting. This is called Brahmakamalam. This is called as a auspicious plant, god plant, we can tell. If this plant is there, no evil will be coming to the home. People used to tell no negative vibes will be coming, only positive vibes will be coming to the home. That's the thing. If you want to get any tips from my mom, you can ask me. Okay, thanks guys, bye bye.